What's up, my shining stars? My name is Jada Shine and welcome to my channel. If you're here, I would really love it if you could please hit that subscribe button below because it would mean the world to me. If you clicked on this video, I know it's because you want to achieve this quick weave bob look, and that's amazing because it's so super easy. So you already know I'm finna put y'all on. I chose this look simply because I am 22 right now, but majority of the time, a lot of people tell me that I look about 16, 17 years old. So this was going for a more sophisticated, adult, mature look. So I definitely do like it for that reason. It's easy to wrap because the hair is so short, and it also took me under an hour to do. So that definitely is a time cruncher because I'm all about saving time because time is money, okay? So if you think this shortcut bob look is something that you're trying to achieve, then please keep on watching. So you guys, I can't lie, this is my very first time ever not only having a bob in my head, but doing a bob on myself in a full-blown quick weave like this. I have never done that, so I highly encourage anyone else that this is their first time to please give it a try. Anyone who's like an expert in quick weaves, be sure to leave comments below so that I can have better tips and tricks next time. Okay, so hopping straight in, we're gonna go ahead and comb out the hair, make sure there's no knots. So right here, we're gonna part around the middle part so we can get our leave out. So here, we're gonna box this section out and separate it from the rest. Then here we're gonna braid this middle section to part it away from the rest of the hair. Take your rat-tail comb and part it down the middle. Separate both sections and make sure they're fairly even. Take this part and put it up with the middle section to separate that so you can have a little bit of baby hair in the front. Take one section at a time and begin to French braid it down into a ponytail. Just like here, do the same on the other side. Take your edge fronts and your middle section and just make them a little tighter in together so they're more secure for this next part. Next, we'll be taking each ponytail and flipping them up towards the part attached to your head and pinning them down with hairpins. I like to do it this way because this is the painless, quickest way possible to do this for me. And just like that, voila, we're done with the secure part. Now time to put on the wig cap. Place one on your head and make sure that it fits and it's secure. Then take another one and do the same thing. For this next part, I drew out my leave out portion off camera, so you make sure to do that with a white marker. Spray your freeze spray in all of the braided areas. Next, blow dry all of the areas that you put freeze spray on for extra security with the wig cap. Now it is time for this hair. Grab your tracks, get them out. Take a track and now measure the first layer with it, starting off at the bottom of your head. Once you see how long it is, take that portion and cut it off. And re-measure it one more time just to make sure that it fits. Put glue on the strip of the track. And place on your head. Hold. And of course, when you're done, blow dry that down to make sure it stays. Repeat these same steps. Measure. Cut. Glue. Place and hold. And blow dry. Repeat these same steps to get the full head done. When you get towards the top of your head, start layering downward and not towards the back. The more I get towards the middle, I'm placing each track closer and closer together for a more thicker look towards the front. Now let's blow dry all of that to secure it down. Let's comb through it. Let's see what it looks like. I like it, I like it. See, right here was the part I was like, should I keep it long or should I still cut the bob? And I was like, okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the bob. Okay, now time to get a hold of that leave out. So start cutting the other part of the wig cap that you are not keeping on your head. So basically anything that's on the leave out, cut it off so that you can flat iron that part. Oh my God, look at this big red mark. Do not laugh at me. Also be careful to not try to cut your hair or any other hairs that you see because it's all important. Especially up here, please be careful. So majority of the hard work is done. Now it's time to just flat iron the leave out and cut the bob. Now we are all done flat ironing, so time to blend everything and make it look a little bit more natural. Take your fingers and know how far you want to go because there are different types of bobs and I just chose my own length. Okay, but look, it doesn't look bad at all. Okay, on to the other side. Brush through the hair, see how you like it. See if you want to go shorter or if you want to keep it the same. I wanted to go shorter, so I did more of my cutting off camera. This is my final cut. I love it. It is the perfect length on both sides. I could not really see the back, so that's another reason why I had someone help me. Now we're gonna flat iron just to blend all of this so that it's bouncy, it moves the same, all that good stuff. I would bump the ends just so that it has a little curve underneath, because this is synthetic hair that I'm using, so it can be a little too straight and I want a little curve underneath. So this is the end product. I think it looks really good. I think it's pretty even. I think it fits my face. Now the final touches. I never go out without my baby hairs, and I'm not gonna start today. So these are my baby hairs that I'm gonna go ahead just to give a little bit more cutesiness to it. This is preference. You don't have to do this, but this is what I definitely like to do. As I'm combing through it, it's moving, it blended well, I love it. And for my first time, I think I did a pretty good job. And this is the final look. I love it. My makeup is done by KENISHA. She is an upcoming makeup artist, and her information is in the description. Please like and subscribe. I'll truly appreciate it. And don't forget to follow me on all my streaming platforms, and I'll see you next week.